Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 2-in-1 20-watt fast charger and cable for the Apple iPhones as well as the Apple Watches. Alright, so we got our 2-in-1 fast charger. This one here is a universal compatibility. It works with all Apple Watch series from Series 1 all the way to the Ultra. And then it also works with all the iPhones starting from the XS, 11, 12, 13, and 14. It works on the iPods 1, 2, and the Pro, as well as iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad Mini, as well as the regular iPad. So here is the charging block. This one you'll plug into the wall. So you've got 2-in-1, so it can charge your watch and phone at the same time. You don't got to worry about overcharging because it's got overcharge protection. It's got over temp protection, over voltage protection, smart IC chip protection. It's got a 15,000 bend lifespan, so you can bend it up to 15,000 times. So here is the magnetic. It is super strong for the watches as well as the AirPods. And it does have the lightning cable. You do get the charger for the wall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my devices. So here is a power block that I'm going to use instead of plugging it into the wall. So I'm going to take this part right here, the lightning cable, plug it into the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and then grab the other part. You can see right here it's charging. The other part I'm going to add my Apple Watch. I have the Ultra. So you just stick it on here just like that. Make sure you got it on the right side. So I'm going to remove my charger from the phone so I can put it through the watch. So the length of this is 6.6 feet. Between the watch part and the plug is 7.9 inches. So you can see that it is charging my watch. Now we're going to plug this into the phone, and it is super powerful. It charges very fast. This is the 2-in-1 iPhone iWatch fast charger, 20 watt, 3 times PD fast charging, and it is compatible with all Apple Watches, Apple iPads, Apple iPhones. So if you're looking for a fast, quick charge that charges 2 devices at the same time, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This is a 2-in-1 that'll charge your watch and your iDevice all at the same time.